What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, I can't scream too loud. It's getting too late at night here. I don't feel like closing the garage door, and I'm just bored out. Short weeks are never short. Let me tell you that much. Well, we got a Mac tool haul for you. That's right, buddy. We got a Mac tool haul. Got my old trusty gray hat on. I noticed the other day, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't know if it's because I've been doing so much air conditioning that the dye is seeping into it. I wish I should have pulled my blacklight hat out, but the dye, it's turning yellow from sweating, and that's no joke. And it's going to be a week for air conditioning. So let's move right into the tool haul. If you know, there was a bundle that came out. That was this right here. Now, I want to be completely candid with you about this, because there was one connector in here in particular, which would be this connector. And it came with these cleaner pieces, which these are really nice. And these are from Marine, 4-pin, 5-pin, 6-pin, round male, 7-pin, spade, female, you know, the whole 9 yards. This does it all. And I got to tell you, around here, these are made in the USA. These are Taiwan. But they're all, most of the stuff you're going to get from electrical. Find me stuff that's not from Taiwan or China, electrical. But here's the thing about this is, this plug was unique. Let's get you right down in here. This plug was unique because it had your trailer plug and has a 5-pin to this one, to the adapter. So if you guys have those Duramaxes, probably have these heavy duty plugs, you can literally, it's got three trailer different connectors on there, and I found that one was kind of hard to find, believe it or not. And so I jumped on that one. Now the kit, I don't even remember what the price of the kit was, so I'm not gonna lie. I priced it out online. I did find this kit elsewhere. I'm not gonna post the link for all that stuff on here. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to do the research yourself, because I don't know where it is. I don't have it anymore. That's the main thing. But this is an ET8025. I don't think this bundle is even relevant anymore because I ordered it last month. And then this kit is a TSTPK1 for this kit. This was just, I wanted this kit because I'm not going to probably use this a ton. But all these other connectors are definitely nice for checking trailer wiring and stuff like that. And I definitely do more than I really want to talk about, to be honest with you. Guys bring trailers to me all the time. This is a rural community. You know, where I'm at in Des Moines, Iowa, is not a big, and there's a lot of construction and trailers and whatnot, and there's always guys coming, hey man, my lights don't work. Got pulled over by the DOT. Well, did you check them? That's why you have this kit right here. Usually use a test light, but this will make it easier so I can plug it in. Next thing I got, we're gonna jump right into some exciting stuff here. We got a big Mac tool haul here, so you better stick around, buckle up, just get them in tight because it's coming on strong. We got some Mac hats. I don't know why I took that off. We got some new Mac hats, the purple. These are gonna be my going to town hats. And this one, I was gonna wear this, but man, I got it, and it's just too nice. Man, it is cool too. Flex. It's got some material. I'll tell you what, guys. Man, I might have to buy another one of these and wear this all the time because we're gonna wear this right now because I'm not too sweaty. But oh, look at that. What is that? A worm? Oh, we got a worm on there. Apparently, when I was out mowing, hey, Mr. Worm. Worm stuck to my hat. But yeah, I like this material. Is cool, man. It feels. Really draws away the moisture. Man, it feels a lot better on my head. And I'm a big fan of the mesh in the summertime, but man, putting this on, boy, she ain't half shabby. So yeah, we got 2 new hats, and we got a new shirt. Now, for you guys that don't know, and I don't know that I've ever talked about this much, and this is what started me on this car collection deal here, And not only that, these are skinny guy sizes right there. You guys are wondering what size shirt I wear. 5 extra, extra small. Just in case you're thinking about something for Christmas for me. But if you guys don't know, so I'm going to give you a little bit of a background story. And I'll kind of pan you down so you can look at this hat instead of my ugly mug. Or just look at this. So if you guys don't know, my first pickup that I ever bought was this 1966 Chevy that was Hugger Orange. I bought it from a company or a business at a farm sale or at an auction in Missouri called Lolly Brothers Auction. If you look them up, they're very, very famous for exotic sales. And I bought it off Jimmy Lolly. Jimmy Lolly had that truck for years. I paid him $2,500 cash, and I saved up all my money for 2 summers to buy that truck. Now, I don't have it anymore because why? I'm an idiot. That's why. So, I have a very, 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 very... If you guys ever have a lead on a good Chevy, 66 Chevy pickup, mine was a 3/4 ton 4-speed with a 327 in it, and I'd love to have the same thing again. In fact, I probably could find a 327. If I don't even have a motor, it doesn't even matter to me if the body's good. Just something that's halfway decent. I would love to know. I would love to know and love to be able, and I would drive almost anywhere or send a transport to pick it up if I was really, really, really turned on to it that much. So, just so you guys know. And, wow, we are 7 minutes into the video and we aren't even close to being done. So, that's my little deal on that. Henry, why are you digging? Just stop digging up moles. Next thing I got, I told you guys I wasn't going to do this anymore. I told you I wasn't. Yeah, I got another Ratchet. But this wasn't just any Ratchet. Picked it up with this RBRT bit deal. This completes my set of hexes. And I like these longer ones right here and the smaller ones that I have. And this will pretty much complete me. I'm done with buying RBRT bits. I have every one of them now, I think. And, you know, they've come in handy and they have their place. And I really like them. But this deal was on sale. And I don't know if it's in this month's flyer or whatnot. I can't remember because I'm getting the flyer so early. But this kit was cheap. Like $160 for this kit for both of these. I thought it was a great deal. Ratchet alone's $100. So it was dirt cheap. And that's pretty much... That lines that up. The SXH114 RBRT. So, yeah. We got that. And last but not least. Boy, let me tell you what right now. Finally completed the Impact line. Because I have the Mac BWP 152 brushless Impact. Sorry, Milwaukee fanboys. I know you boys think that everything's got to be Milwaukee, and unfortunately, this kit was such a good deal. When I say kit... Alright, so this is what else I got. I got the Mac BP 152. Focus. 1/2-inch drive, 20 volt. DeWalt powered. Stanley owns them. Stanley owns Mac. Let's get this out of the way real quick. You guys that just spew information that you don't understand, these companies all own each other. The stuff that they are made in the USA, assembled in the USA with global parts, all that stuff. Let's get this just cut and dried real fast, okay? If the company owns the company, then it's pretty much the same company. So I don't understand, like, people are like, Stanley. Okay, Stanley's the largest tool company in the world. They must be doing something wrong, I guess. Anyways, I got this kit. And this kit came with this. Guys, this was a deal. If you missed this on the Mac truck, I've been waiting on this since January. This was a deal. It comes with the I transferred my Sunex sockets. I'm not gonna lie. I transferred my Sunex sockets to these. So these are my Sunex sockets. And I'm having to do this one-handed now since I took my tripod. But let's so this is how the kit comes. Battery in tow. It's a brand new kit. Removable EV foam. This whole kit comes out. It all comes out. You can use the box. And it has this right here. It has this little extra lid that comes down. And this is this dewalt Tstak box or whatnot, but it's Mac branded. I really like this box. This is going to be handy for me to take out if I want to go on a service call somewhere. I'm going to put a few extra parts in there. It's got some warranty information and whatnot like that. But the box is really nice. It's waterproof, which is really nice when you're storing sockets. I'm going to tell you that right now. Nice metal buckles, 2 handles, vacuum. And honestly, I can actually put pew-pews in this too if I wanted to. It's vacuum sealed and it's lockable. 2 locks so you could actually take this on an airplane. The Tstak lock-in deals there. I don't know much about it. It's actually got handles every side here. Nice kit for $750. You're not going to be able to get this deal if you didn't have it. So unfortunately, this is an old deal. But I had a $2,500 tool haul. Now, why did I get this kit? You know, CP, you already had sockets. Well, I wanted the Mac USA made impact sockets because I've always had good luck with Mac impact sockets. They've lasted for years. They're really made well. I just dig them. So I've got that set, and this comes with the set all the way. Let's get this over. It comes with this set right here from 10 to 25. 10 to 25. Mac set. All USA made, and I swapped out my old Sunex ones. That's why they look rusty and crusty in there. But I don't think I've ever used a 10mm half-inch drive, to be honest with you. I think that this thing is like brand new. I never really realized it until I was grabbing these out. I've never used a 11 half-inch drive. You guys let me know in the comment box if you have. These are some of my least used. In bigger, heavier duty stuff, maybe you might. This is a 13. I've never used a 13 in this. I usually use my half-inch or my 3/8 drive stuff. So, and I do use my mid-length snap-ons a lot. So, anyways, guys, that was the tool haul, Mac tool haul. So, appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.